Did you know there's 7.9 billion lives on the planet right now? Do you know in the past centuries that no one, I mean, no one was like you? Not a one. You're that special. So when somebody tells you that you're nobody and that you can't do a certain something, you know, don't feel sorry for them. They're just not aware that right now, what it took for you to be here. Think about that. You know, when your mom and your dad got together and they created those billions of sperms, only one survived to become a life, and that is you. You are already a winner. I want you to remember that. You had a secret pattern that's built inside you that none of them in this world, in the past or in the future, will be like you at all. Don't worry about being like Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, or Mike Tyson. Guess what? None of them doesn't have that special something that you have. They can't even copy you. I want you to remember that, okay? Now, one thing, this is called life pattern, okay? Life pattern, this is what it's all about, okay? You need to understand who you are and, and what it is that you may have that's special. I do something that brings me down to earth. I think about what kind of special skills that I have. What can I share with people? Okay, what can I do? And I'm going to show you something that's going to help you find out who you are. Okay, it's all about that, who you are. So we're going to do this. We're going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, and we're going to go to YouTube, which is the second largest search engine. Okay, now we're going to go to YouTube, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at how you can find out not only who you are, but also if you're on top of a mountain, you're looking down on top of a mountain, you look at the world, if you can see, or you're even looking on your phone, you see what's going on in the world. Wouldn't you like to find out what people want to do? And YouTube will help you. People type in how to. How to means how can they do something? Now this is what most people are typing in. When they type in how to, they want to make $1 million, right? Can you guys see that? Wait a second. Let me go ahead and share this with you because I didn't push the right button on. But I'm gonna push it now so you can understand. Okay? We're gonna go ahead and share my screen. Now, as you see right there, people are gonna push that button. Okay? The how to button. Because why? Why? Because they need to know what the problem people are facing these days. Okay? So when they go here and they push how to, it says here how to make $1 million. Okay, how to make money online. You see how the pattern is? People are trying to make extra money. How to make money on TikTok. They find out people are making a lot of money on TikTok. Do you know every day there's 1,700 millionaires being created every day? Where are you at? Who do you have to blame? But what happened? These people went to places like YouTube to find out what people were searching for. And then they went there to find out what was the problems so they can help. The problems are right there. They want to know how. They're talking about a problem. How to. Remember I just said that. Now, why am I giving this to you? Because when I'm trying to do videos or trying to help people, I go to YouTube. It's the second largest search engine out there to find out what the problems are going on in the world. Now, if I put an S here, okay, let's go ahead and put an S. And what does it say? Some people want to do this. They want to start a business. How to save $1 million. You see it? I'm looking at the top 5. How to what? Start a successful business. How to, look at that. It's right here. How to sell anything to anyone. These are what the people are typing in. If you went ahead and found the answers or go places, like I'm going to do this. Okay, we're going to go ahead to how to save $1 million. We're going to go ahead and we're going to see what YouTube is showing us. Now, this has a lot to do with people who already have videos that shows people how to what? Realistically go from zero to $1 million. Now, this guy right here, this is a year-old video, and he has he has 172,000 views in 1 year, and he's answering that question for people. What you can do here is go there and listen to what he's talking about and redo your own video about it, okay? Now, I'm telling you this because this is what people are doing, okay? This is how they find and research the answers to the questions people are trying to find. You can put your videos in here, okay? And people will pay you money for that information. Right here, you want to basically just put the information out there, and when they click on the button, what you want to do is capture their email address, okay? Their name and their email address, and give them more content about what they're looking for, okay? Now, I'm telling you this because it works. This is how these people are making millions of dollars, all right? Now, I want to tell you something. This is how you find your purpose, okay? This is what you want to be typing in, okay? Make sure you understand what I'm saying. I'm not going to make this a long, drawn-out video. I'm getting you guys meat and potatoes here, okay? So you guys can understand how to do research for yourself. I do it all the time, okay? I do that to find out what T-shirt people want to buy because it's a fad product. What city, what state is these T-shirts in? What about certain products? What products out there are selling crazy back in New York, but it's not in California? I go out and I find out, research and find out who supplies that product. I find out how much that product's selling. How are they selling it? What way are they selling it? Are they selling in stores, on the street? Or do they have a street team? You know, street team is what made a lot of people millionaires if they had a street team. I have a report, if you want it. I may have it inside this course. A report, it talks about how people are becoming millionaires selling T-shirts. Selling T-shirts, okay? And I have stories about that and what I did to make a lot of money back when I used to live in Hawaii, okay? But listen, I'm not gonna make this a long drawn-out thing. Just remember, there's nobody in the past or in the future gonna be just like you. Not a one, not even if you had a twin, it wouldn't be you. Okay, you're very special. Okay, you are a winner. You made it. You're here in the flesh. Out of all those challenges to get here, you were born. Okay, never think you're nobody. Don't never think that don't let somebody tell you what you're worth an hour. You should be telling them to pay X amount of dollars for your time because you are precious. You are priceless. I hope this is ringing the bell to some of you out there because I'm not here to sell you anything. You know, a lot of people wonder, how come my book was #1 on Amazon? Okay, Master of Engagement. People don't know how to say hello to people. They don't know how first impressions are so important. I have information about that. Why first impression is so important. You're never gonna get a second chance of a first impression. Why would I say that? A lot of people are trying to sell. I have a book just came out, just been released. Okay, just been released, and I'm gonna tell you, I put my foot in this one. It's called Master Selling Without Selling, The Proven Path to Selling Mastery, okay? This is my book right here, okay? If you want it, you can go there. You will go to carlmdouglas.com and you'll be able to order my book, okay? I don't have to sell it to you because you think I'm selling something. I don't have to do that. It's what you want. I'm giving you something if you want it, and it's here, okay? I'm just showing you where it's at. That's it. And when you're talking to somebody and you have something that you want, you are a consultant. You ask the right kind of question, let people tell you what they want. You got to listen. Listen. And when you listen to them, they are going to express to you what they really, really want and how bad they want it. Guess what? You don't have to sell it. They're going to want to grab it out of your hand because it's something that they want and they need it. They've been wanting for a long time. Remember that, okay? But anyway, just remember what I just told you. That's how you found your purpose, okay? Everybody who's watching this video are very special. And I thank you for sharing this time with me. And I hope you and I pray for you that you do something with this information that I'm providing. And if something for you, share it to somebody else. Maybe it's bad timing for you to look at this. Maybe you got one of those, I call it comfort zones in your mind. You got a good job, and somebody telling you, basically, this is how much money you are going to be making per hour. With me, I threw up on the side of the road when somebody told me how much money I was worth an hour. I end up later on telling people how much they're going to pay me for my time. I have 40 years of experience on and off line marketing. I work with billion-dollar companies. I help consult some of those companies and help them become more richer. I got tired of that. I got tired of helping other people. Helping other companies and corporations, boards of directors. I wanted to help people learn what I know. I lecture universities. I have done many things in my life, but like I said, it's not about me. Am I qualified? Yes, a lot of people go to people who are not qualified to teach them. Who are you listening to? That's why your life is what it is today. Think about that for a second. Some people, I'll say it again, some people go to people who are not qualified to teach them. They're listening to them. And unfortunately, sometimes it's our loved ones. Sometimes it's people close to us that can tear us down because they're so close to us. And their belief becomes our belief. And before you know it, we give up. Oh, I guess so. I guess you're right. I'm here to tell you, if you want something bad enough, you got to go out and get it. And you got to believe it's possible. Don't let nobody tell you not to do it. If you break your leg and you're in the hospital for whatever happens in your life because you're in a cast, you're in the cast. Not them. You are. You're feeling the pain. It's on everything everything you have around you right now. You brought that, you attracted that in your life. If that's what you want, if that's all you want, don't be on your dying bed and go, man, I wish I did this. Oh, I wish I did that. I've seen it too many times. I've been on people's deathbed and listened to them talk about their dreams that they never fulfilled. Okay? Just think about it. Right now, you have something that really burning you up every day. You wake up in the morning, you wish you can do it. You can do it. You have to basically set goals to get to that point to do it. All right? Once again, this is Carl Douglas. Hope I'm helping you guys. Life patterns, okay? Find 5 successful people that believe in successful things in life and positive things in life. Those should be your friends. Those are people you can go to the top with. It's lonely at the top. It is. Why be down here where all the fighters, all the people are just fighting crumbs, for income? You can do it. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to end this recording. It's 13 minutes. Hope this helped you guys. If you guys want me, you guys know how to get a hold of me. I'm going to put this on the bottom here. funnelsconnection@gmail.com. Go ahead and send me an email. Okay, you guys got that? Okay. Also, you can go right here, get a free report I have. It's going to talk about the 15 shocking mistakes that small business owners make. And guess what? I'm showing you how to avoid them, how to avoid those mistakes. And it's free information. Okay? Why lose all that money? Save your money. But if you don't have the right knowledge on what to get, on what to do, what to apply, guess what? You don't really want it. You're already should be trying to have a business for yourself. But once again, that's where you go. I'll give you a free report. All right, guys. I hope that helped you. And once again, I had a good time sharing this information with you because I think a lot of people out there are really been wanting this information to come out. They wanted somebody who was real talking to them about what they should do. Also, I'm going to put this out. If you're a person that has a business and you struggled, I have a talk show. I'd like to interview you. It's called Home-Based Business Review with Carl Douglas. Send me an email. Let's talk. Let's chat. I'll be happy to interview you. All right. Once again, you guys know where my book is. My book is at carlmdouglas.com. carlmdouglas.com. And you'll be able to get my book. All right, guys. See you guys later. Bye for now.